What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So I recorded a video last night on my way to work. Checked the footage, and as I'm getting ready to pull the GoPro off my helmet, I realized I did not have my microphone plugged in all the way. It recorded audio with a whole bunch of static. So this is a redo. Anyways, let's jump right into it because I realized that the one I recorded last night, excuse me, was way too fucking long. I was really hoping the sun would be up by now, but it's cloudy, so it's not up. So we'll see how it comes across. I don't know if y'all can tell, but my headlight's done and I need a new one. So anyways, I'll talk about YouTube real quick. I'm gonna talk a little fast. I'm gonna take back roads too because it is windy as hell, and that's one reason why I was worried last night about my audio, because it was so windy. It's blowing 20, gusting 40. The audio is shit. I'm still having real bad wind issues with this camera, with this new setup, the Hero4 Black. I can't get the wind noise out of it, even with the noise cancellation turned on. Okay, back into it now. So, what I want to talk about is an issue came up the other night where somebody was very concerned with their watch hours. They had lost a lot of watch hours, and they're not getting a lot of people watching their live streams or their videos. People, you have got to remember that it is the beginning of the season. It happens every year when it comes to mostly the kind of genre that we're going after with YouTube, motovlog, stuff like that. We're out riding. We're not watching videos. We're not at home. We're out doing stuff. It is springtime. Nobody's home. Everybody's out doing stuff. The COVID lockdown. Nobody wants to be stuck at home anymore. You know, with it being spring, it's just so nice. Like yesterday it was 70 degrees. It's dropped down to, I think it's like 55 right now on my way home. Temperature's supposed to keep dropping, so I won't be able to ride again tonight. I think by the time I go to work, it's supposed to be back down in the 30s, which is kind of crazy, but the rest of the week's supposed to be nice. Anyways, don't take this stuff personal. You've got to remember that it is what it is. It happens every year. Everybody's watch time goes down. Everybody's views go down. It's just what happens. You know, I've never really been worried about it because, you know, I'm never really worried about getting monetized. I don't care about it. And if you don't care about it, you should not worry about your watch time. If you're worried about your views, that's one thing. Because yeah, I mean, everybody wants views. Everybody wants somebody to watch what you're putting out. I get that. Damn, it is still so dark. I really don't want to take the back roads because I know most of the back roads I'm about to take are dark, and the video's not going to come across great. Oh well, here we go. Anyways, don't take it personal. It happens every year. I've been doing this for 5 years now. It happens to me every year. My views go down. and the other thing you got to remember is it's the YouTube thing. Okay, you've got over 1,000 subscribers, but you only get like 100 views. Okay, that's what happens. Like me, whenever I had 200 subscribers, I'd get 150 views a video, and that was awesome. Once I hit that 400 subscriber mark, my views went way down. I went from getting 150 views to 120. I hit 500 subs. My views averaged from 60 to 120. And I'm at 739, that's where I'm sitting at right now, and my views are down. I mean, like, they have been for a while. I noticed it's still kind of hit and miss. I still kind of, sometimes I'll hit 120 views, But most generally, I'm still, whoa, water. Most generally, I'm still right around 60 to 100 views. There's that crest you have to hit in subscriber count to get your views back. You know, it's just, you might have the subscriber count, it's just people don't watch. And that's how it always has happened, especially in the motovlogging. And I know it happens in other stuff too, you know. You got 20,000 subscribers, you put out a video, you know, you might only get, you know, shit, I don't know, you might only get 5,000 views. I mean, it's like, let's just go after one of the bigger named motovloggers. He's not bigger motovlogger, even though he's been around for a really long time. He doesn't have a huge subscriber account like some of the other ones. I'm not going to mention no names, but last time I checked him out, he put out a video, and let's just say he has 500,000 subscribers, okay? And I believe that is his true subscriber count. And his videos only pull about 20,000 views. So, I mean, that's what happens. And he's not shit at it, you know, he's a good motovlogger. And he does all kinds of different shit. It's just the way it happens. So don't take it personal. Everybody remember, it's just that time of the year. Alright, now the second thing I want to touch on. Man, I really want to hop on the interstate and just fly home. I really don't want to take back roads. But I need to make this video. I need to get this out there. I need to speak my mind on this. I might just... Alright, I know what I'm going to do. Anyways. Alright, my next thing is... video premieres on YouTube. I hate them. I fucking can't stand it when you people do a video premiere. It pisses me off. I can handle it if it's like an hour, 2 hours, something like that. That doesn't bug me too much. But when y'all motherfuckers do like 24 hours or 5 days, no, don't do that. I won't even watch the video whenever it comes out. I honestly do not watch them. If your video is a premiere and it's 24 hours away, I will not watch it. And here's why. I don't have a lot of time to watch YouTube anyways. I watch a lot of videos. I don't make comments on people's videos, and I should, because people comment on my stuff. But I don't. I don't have a lot of time. I'm always sleeping or working or just busy, like a lot of people. But yeah, if you do a video premiere and it's longer than 24 hours, chances are I will not watch it. Because when I get on YouTube and I see that I just glance and I'm like, oh yeah, hell yeah, I'm waiting for the next video, I can't wait to watch it. And it's like, wait, it's a premiere, I don't get to watch it for 3 days. Nah, I ain't gonna watch it then. It annoys me to no end. Like, it pisses me off, so I won't even watch. And I'm sorry, it's just the way how I personally feel about it. It's my opinion. I think the premieres are dumb, unless you want to do it for a maximum of 8 hours. 8 hours will be the max. But I'm not gonna watch them. It's quite annoying to me. All right, but anyways, I got a little bit here, got like a mile or two before I hop on the interstate, and then y'all ain't gonna be able to hear me no more, so let me throw this out there. Rider bag. Y'all know I done a video on rider bag. I really like the rider bag. Y'all need to go over to riderbagusa.com. Check them out. If you decide to buy one, make sure you use code Hollarmoto10. And also, if you do get one, I strongly suggest getting the spine board. that makes a hell of a difference with the backpack. Stiffens the backpack up, and it actually protects you in case you go down. It actually does. So it's a pretty cool thing. They have new colors coming out. I believe the pre-sale is over as of right now. Damn it. But riderbag.usa.com. Go over to Instagram, hit up Riderbag. Like I said, use code Hollarmoto10. Alright, so got that. Oh, let me shut that bright light off. That's right in that person's eye. But I'm gonna go ahead and call this one done. Didn't take very long for me to talk fast and get that shit out there. I really hate doing them that quick, but like I said, I did this video last night, ended up being shit, so had to redo it. And that right there is the interstate up there, and like I said, with this wind noise I'm having problems with, I would otherwise I'd keep talking. So hate to end it at a red. Well, shit. Well, fuck. I don't have enough time. I'll just keep going straight. I'll just take the back roads for a couple more minutes. I'll get on the interstate up here. This circles back around. They give me time to end this video the right way. But anyways, damn it, I cannot stop. That's a rough night welding. So go over and check out my Instagram, Hollarmoto. I mean, you can add me on Facebook. I'm Hollarmoto on there too, but I don't do shit on Facebook. Fuck Facebook. But I'm on Instagram. If you know, you know. I'm on there quite a lot. I'm pretty active on there. If you're new to this channel, just checking us out, consider hitting that subscribe button so you can watch more dumbass videos that I make that mean shit and not very entertaining. Some days I'm entertaining, not a lot though. Also, please hit that like button, it helps a lot. Please leave your comment down below. My comments still kind of work. They still kind of don't work. I usually get them about, I don't know, anywhere from 3 to 5, 6 days later after I post a video. Y'all be making comments and I don't see them till 3 to 5 days later. I don't know why my channel's like that. It's been like that for over a year now. I've asked YouTube, I've asked. They have no explanation. So, it is what it is. Not much I can do about it. Isn't that special? We got a 40 of them lit up. Whatever. Not impressing me. Anyways. I say anyways a lot, don't I? Probably shouldn't do that. So ladies and freaking gentlemen, like, subscribe, comment. Still trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers. Am I trying to become monetized? Absolutely not. It's just a goal. I just want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I think it's a good goal to have, and after that, whatever I get is awesome, but I'm not going to push subscribers after 1,000. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. As always, dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side.